This conference will now be recorded.
Have you girls opened the file? I want everybody to open the file and work along with me. So once I will sort out the things and I will show you, so that I'll give you some time so that you people can solve it then and there. Please download the file. The password for the file is MCC123. Once it is done, please do tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here in Excel, we are not going to go in detailedly. The required parts only we are going to learn in Excel so that it will be easy for us to solve our financial modeling. So here the first thing, so you have to open the sheet series. The first sheet named series, open it. So I will first explain you people, then I will give you some time to solve it. In between, anybody is having any doubts, you can get it clarified. Okay. So don't do it simultaneously because you won't be able to follow it up when I'm explaining you. So first listen, then I will give you the time to practice. Okay. So first thing, I'm going to copy this headers where I have given autofill, linear, growth, date, weekday. I'm going to select it. Click without releasing the click. I'm going to select this. So I have selected, I'll press Ctrl C. Now I will come down and I will paste it somewhere here. Okay. So now autofill. I hope everybody is listening. Okay, if anybody did not understand or if you feel that ma'am is going a bit faster, please do tell. I will explain it once again or I'll reduce the speed. Is it clear, girls?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now autofill.
Yes, ma'am.
Autofill means when, yes, ma, is somebody telling something? Okay. So now autofill means I wanted to fill the numbers from 1 to 100. So I will type in 1, 2, then I will come to the first cell. I will click here. Without releasing the click, I will drag my selection to the second one. Now I'll release the click. I have selected both. Now I'll come to this right hand side corner where you can see a black color cross. Okay, that is called as fill handle. I'll just click it and I will drag it. So as I am dragging, you can see it is filling the number to the selected range. But here I wanted the numbers from 1 to 100 or 1 to 1000. So I cannot keep on dragging like this. So what I will do is I will use the option called as fill series. Okay, so I will just select this, delete. So first one, in the first cell I wanted the number range to be started from 1. I will take my cursor back to 1. It should not be in edit mode. And then in the home tab I have something called as fill. Okay, under the editing group I have fill. So I'll tell you once again, home tab, under editing group I have fill option. I'll click on this and here I have series. So when I click on this series, you can see a small dialog box will appear where I have series, type, date unit. Now I have to concentrate on series. On what basis you wanted the range to be filled? Either it should be on rows or in the columns. I wanted it to be filled in columns, means one below the other. Then step value, what is the number that I have given? It will be shown here 1. And stop value, till where I wanted. I wanted till 1000. I will enter this and I'll just click on OK. So let me check whether it is filled. For checking, I'll press Control Shift and down arrow. Till 1000 it is filled. Okay, once again I will show. I will enter the number 1, press enter, get back to number 1 cell, go to home tab, go to fill option. Under that I have series. So select column, step value is 1, stop value is 1000. Then click on OK. To check, Control Shift and down arrow. So 1000 numbers has been entered. To come back, Control Shift and up arrow. I'll come back to my first cell. So I wanted you people to try with this. You need to enter this details. Is anybody is having the doubt? You want me to explain it once again? Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes of time to try this. If anybody did not understand, please do tell. I will explain it once again.
Ma'am, where is the shift option?
Where is the shift option? Control Shift ma in the keyboard. On your left hand side, you
Sorry,
can see
I meant a series option.
series option. It will be in the home tab. Go to editing group. Under that you have fill option. Click on the fill. You have series.
Okay, got it.
Got it? Okay. Done. Is everybody able to do it?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
ma'am, can you please tell me once again from starting autofill how to do that?
First enter a number. So you have copied this autofill, right? Enter 1.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. That I didn't get how to do that.
Which one?
Autofill.
So are you in the series sheet? You have opened
Uh,
Excel file.
yes, ma'am.
So in that you can see the series sheet, the name series. See my cursor, it is
Yeah,
on
yes,
series.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
just come to this thing, first one, first line where I have the headings. Click on autofill.
Okay, ma'am.
Without releasing the click, drag it towards my right to select the headings. And now release the click. Your selection will be something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Press Ctrl C. You can see the dotted lines.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to some other place, like scroll down
Yes, ma'am.
and press, click somewhere and press Ctrl V. So it will get pasted. Did it got pasted?
No, ma'am.
Control C. See, you have to select it like this. Click, make the selection. You have selected like this as I am showing it in the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Press Control C.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the dotted lines appearing on that
Yes,
selection?
yes, ma'am.
Now scroll down. So using the scroll button as I am showing. So come down, click somewhere and press Control V to paste. Done?
Ma'am, for me it's not showing. Can I show?
You wanted to show the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's your name?
Ma'am, Krupa.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Krupa,
here
show me.
I have.
Click on your video button.
Yes, ma'am. Here I have selected it
Yeah,
and Control
Control
C.
C. Scroll down. Click somewhere on the bottom. Somewhere you click.
Yes, ma'am.
Control V.
No, ma'am.
It is not happening.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you just type in if it is so. Autofill linear growth date and weekday.
Okay, ma'am.
Typed in. Done, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
So below autofill, just type in 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Press enter key.
Just a second, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Use up arrow to come to that one where we have mentioned to that cell. Use up arrow and come back to that cell.
Ma'am, in my screen, I'm not able to write these.
Numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
There
Not
must be
numbers,
numlock.
not the alphabets.
Numlock is there. Just click on that numlock.
Uh, ma'am, where is numlock?
In this numerical pad. So numbers are there on your right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you have that. That is called as your numerical pad. So above this 0147, you have something called numlock. So is there the light blinking, or you just press numlock and just type in something and see?
Ma'am, can you please show me in your screen numlock?
Numlock means how to show mine your keyboard. It is on your
Yes,
keyboard.
ma'am.
On your keyboard
Yes,
right
ma'am.
hand side you have this numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
So in that numbers only you have something called NUMLK, numlock.
Mm,
Did you find it? You don't have the
Uh,
numeric pad?
I have, ma'am.
Then why you are not able to type?
Ma'am, here I can't.
So just now you typed something, right? It was working.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I wasn't. I tried
Autofill,
again.
autofill linear, nothing is working.
No, ma'am.
You are not able to access the keyboard only.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a laptop or desktop?
Ma'am, laptop.
Laptop, what is the issue? You should be able to access the laptop's keyboard, right? You are not able to type anything.
Ma'am, before half an hour ago, I searched from Google so I can. That time I was able to.
Okay,
Now
just
I'm.
try it out the same thing.
Hmm, yes, ma'am.
Because there are other students also. The recordings will be shared to you so that you can try it again. Now you just follow
Okay,
the instructions, whatever I'm showing. Okay. So that
okay, ma'am.
you can view the recording and try it out when you are having the leisure time.
Okay, ma'am.
So I have typed in 1. Now I'll put back the cursor here in 1 and I will go to home tab. Under home tab, I have editing option under which I have fill, and I'll go to series. So here I need to choose column. I need to, so automatically whatever the value I have given, it would take 1, and here stop value is 1000. I'll click on OK. So you can see the numbers have been entered. So now I wanted to check. For that I will press Control Shift and down arrow. So you can see the last number 1000. Now I wanted to come back to the first cell. Control Shift and up arrow. I'll come back to the first cell. So like this you can autofill the number range from whatever number you wanted. Next one is linear. So linear, what here it will do is, so you can see the step value is added to the first starting value and then added to each subsequent value. So here if I am entering some number, for example, I am entering 2. Okay. So I'll take back the cursor to 2. I'll go to home. I'll go to fill option, series. I wanted it to be filled on column, and here type is linear. So by default it would have selected linear only. Now here the step value I wanted is 3. So what Excel will do is whatever the number I have entered, the actual value, that is 2. This 2 will be added with the step value, that is 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So like that, whatever the values I am getting on the Excel, that will be added to the step value. And till where I wanted it to be entered. I wanted it to be entered till 50. That means stop value should be 50. So whatever the actual value is given, that will be added with the step value under linear. I'll just click on OK. So 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So like that till where it has filled, till 50. So if I add 50 plus 3, it will go beyond the stop value. So whatever the stop value I have given, it will enter till there. Then growth. Growth means here whatever the value I give. For example, I'll tell 3. Okay. I'll take my cursor back to 3 and I will go to series option, and here I wanted it to be filled on the columns and I wanted growth. and here step value will be 2. So whatever the actual value, it will be multiplied with the step value. That means 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 2s are 40. So like that it will multiply. Linear means the actual value will be added with the step value. Growth means the actual value will be multiplied with the step value. Okay. So here you can give any number. Again here I will tell it should be stop till 50. I'll click on OK. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 2s are, it will come more than 50. So here it will stop. Got it, girls? So if no doubts, I
Oh,
wanted
ma'am.
you people. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, can you just repeat the growth one? I couldn't hear you.
So growth, I will give some random number. Like for example, I'll give 3. You can give any number you want. I'll take my cursor back to 3. Okay. So now from here, I will go to fill option, series. I need to select column, and here I need to select growth. Now growth means, so whatever the actual value I have given, that is 3, it will be multiplied with the step value. Now I will tell 2. So the actual value will be multiplied with the step value. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Like that, for each subsequent value, it will be multiplied with the step value until where I wanted it to be filled. So whatever number you wanted to give, you can give. I am giving the stop value as 50. That means if the value is exceeding 50, stop it there. It should not exceed more than 50. I will give this and I'll click on OK. So the step value what I have given to, it will be multiplied with each subsequent value. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I wanted you people to try with linear and growth.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, I'm not able to do that, ma'am. Like linear, I got it. Growth, I'm not able to do it.
You enter the number.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
So like I'll just show you here. I'm entering like 2. Okay. Press enter and use up arrow to go back to the cell. Then go to the fill option. Go to series. Choose
Hmm?
column. Select growth.
Okay.
And then what is the step value you wanted to give? I'll give 5. Okay, that means 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, like that. So step
Hmm.
value I will tell till 100. Okay, so
Okay.
whatever the subsequent value, actual values I'll be getting, it should be multiplied with 5. So growth means it will multiply the actual value with step value. Okay, so 2 5s
Ah,
are
okay.
10, 10 5s are 50, 50 5s are 500. I have given the step value till 100 only. That's why it will stop it till here.
Okay, ma'am. I got it. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, ma. Girls, are you people able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Once it is done, please tell, we'll move further.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's move to the next one, date. Okay. So the shortcut key to enter the date is control colon. So control colon, if I enter, we will get the current date. I wanted everybody to listen and then you people can try. So I'll show it once again. So put the cursor on the near the date, control colon to enter the current date. Now in this particular range, I'll select this range, and in this range I wanted to fill the date. Okay. So I will select the range. Once again, girls, excuse me. Sorry, girls. So now I have entered the date. I'll just show it once again. So press control colon. You will enter current date. Click here. Without releasing the click, drag it down. The range will get selected. Now in this particular range, I wanted to enter the date. Okay. So I'll just go to fill option. I'll go to series. So automatically, as I given the date, you can see Excel would have done the selection. It is on column. I wanted to fill the date and day. Day means it is randomly continuity in the date. Okay. So it will select this. I'll click on OK. So you can see 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So till whatever the range I have taken, it will select fill the date. Now, if I wanted to fill only the weekdays, so I'll go to fill option. I'll go to series, and here I need to select only weekday. I'll select weekday and click on OK. So now you can see there is some change. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is not there because it is Saturday, Sunday, weekends. So it will remove the weekends and only the weekdays will get filled. Now in the same range, if I wanted to fill only the month, I'll come to fill option, go to series, and I wanted to fill only the month. That means it should be 17th, but the month should get changed. So I'll select month and click on OK. So now you can see the date remains same and the months gets changed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that it will go on. If I wanted to change the here, so in the same range, I'll go to series and here I'll select here and click on OK. So the month will remain same, the date will remain same, only the here will get changed. So by entering one particular date, you can make the necessary changes. If you wanted to fill only the date range, or if you wanted to fill only the weekdays, or you wanted to fill only the months, or you wanted to fill only the here, you can keep on making the changes as per your requirement. Got it? So I will bring it back to weekdays. I'll go to fill option, series. I will select weekdays. So I want you people to try it. Understood, or you want me to explain it once again?
Once again, ma'am.
So first I'll put my cursor here. I'll press Control colon. I'll get the current date. Press enter. Use up arrow to come back to the cell and take the cursor here. Click without releasing the click. Drag the range. Release the click. So the range is selected. Now go to fill option. Go to series. So here you can see Excel would have done the necessary changes. So it is on column. I wanted to fill the date. So now how I wanted to fill it. So if I wanted only day, the cursor the check-in should be on day. I'll click on OK. So there is a continuity in the date. Now I wanted to fill only the weekdays. I'll click on fill, go to series, click on weekday, click on OK. Only weekdays will get filled. It will remove the weekends and to show. So if I wanted to fill only the month, select it, fill month, okay. Months will get selected. So month will get filled. Date, date and here will remain same. If I wanted to fill the here, select here, click on OK. So month and date will remain same. Years will get changed. So I'll come back. I'll go to series. I wanted it to be on weekdays. So you people can try it out now.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm sorry,
Yes,
my
ma'am.
internet was bad. The process I have understood. Can you just tell me how the current date is given control and what do we have to press?
Control colon, control colon.
Okay.
Once it is done, please do tell girls.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now here I'll come to weekdays. Now if I wanted to fill the date range of the entire month. Okay. So I'll put control colon and here I will come near the 17 and I will make it as 1. So it is 1/1/2024. That is from January 1st. I wanted to enter the date till the month end. That is 30th. Till 30th, I wanted to fill the date range. I'll press enter. So I have given the date 1/1/2004. I'll take my cursor back. So I'm not selecting the range now. So in this, I'll go to series. I wanted the range to be filled in the columns. And if I wanted only the weekdays, I'll give weekdays. And here I will enter the month end date. So here it will take according to your system date. Okay. So in ma'am's Excel, it is showing first month, then date, and then here in ours, it is showing first month, first date, and here month, and here don't get confused. The date will be showed according to your system. So whatever your system date is showing, like that only Excel will show. Okay. Don't get confused. So in mine, it is first is month, date, and here. So here I'll give 1/30/2024. Okay. So till this date, I wanted the range to be filled. I will enter the date. So I have given first month, then date, then here I will click on OK. So now you can see it has filled. I wanted to check, control shift and down arrow. See, till 30 it has filled. But I wanted to check whether it has filled correctly the weekdays only or it has filled the other days. So for that, I will be using the text function equals text, open the bracket, select the cell, comma, open the double inverted, use 4 times D. 1, 2, 3, 4, close the double inverted, close the bracket, enter. And now I'll come here and I will just drag it down till my range. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
Ma'am,
Saturday. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
ma'am, my one is not happening.
In yours. So here I'm entering the date. So what is the shortcut key I told for date?
Control plus colon.
Yes, very good. Control colon. So current date I'm getting. Now I wanted to enter the date range from 1st to month end. That is 30. From 1st to 30th date I wanted. So what I will do is I'll just remove the 17. It is according to my system date. Don't get confused. So my date is January 1st, 2024. I will press enter. Go back. Just do this one. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay, now your cursor is in the date.
Yes, yes.
Now go to fill option, go to series, select column, select weekday and come to your stop value, and according to your system date, if it is first month, then give 1/30/2024. You should enter this in your stop value as it is shown in my screen. So your system date is different means this will not work. You should enter the date as per your system date. In my system, first month is appearing, then date followed by year. You need to enter the stop value according to your system date. Just open series, select column, select date, select weekday, and under the stop value, enter the date, the last date what you wanted. So it is not that you should give till 30th only. You can give till 17th or whatever date you wanted. It should not be two very lengthy dates and all. Within 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, like that you give. Done?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
So click on OK. You will get the date. So in order to check it, I'm using the text function equals text, open the bracket. I'll select this cell where I have entered the first date, comma, open the double inverted, enter 4 times D in order to get the weekday. Close the double inverted, close the bracket, enter, and I'll just come here and in this fill series, black color cross on my right hand side corner, I will click without releasing my click. I will drag it down till my values. So automatically it will fill. So I will show you the formula what I have put. Please try.
That for everyone.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay, so if everybody is done, shall we go to random numbers? Next screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So here when I wanted to enter, so here you can see this yellow color portion which is left empty. I wanted to fill the random numbers. So for that what I will do is I'll click here. So they are telling enter random number between 2 and 75. So below apple I'll click and I will enter the function equals rand between. So rand between I will tell the numbers 2 comma 75 and close the bracket, enter. I will come here to the first cell. I will go to this fill series where that black color cross will appear, that is also called as fill handle. Click without releasing the click, drag it down and towards my right. So whatever the numbers that is entered in the range will be between 2 and 75. I'll show you once again. Click here, equals rand between, open the bracket, 2 comma 75, close the bracket, enter. Now come back to this value. So it is not that whatever I'm getting you should also get the same thing. There might be changes in the numbers. Okay, so I'll come to this right hand side corner, that black color cross will appear, fill handle. I'll click on it and I will drag it down. Now again I'll come to this fill handle, click and drag it towards my right. So in order to paste the same values, I'll press Ctrl C. I'll press Ctrl C. Then I will press Ctrl Alt V and then I'll select values and click on OK. So this will paste the values as it is over there. Or else whenever I press enter, the values will keep changing as per the function, whatever I have given. Got it?
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Equals rand between. So here they are telling to enter the numbers between 2 and 75. 2 comma 75, close the bracket. So enter this function there, equals rand between, enter the number 2 comma 75, close the bracket.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Enter. I'll come back to the first cell, do the fill handle, drag it down and again towards my right. In order to keep the values constant, I'll press Ctrl C. So without clicking anywhere else, I'll press Ctrl Alt V for paste special. I will select values and click on OK. So the numbers will get pasted there only. Done. The same
Ma'am,
way I
can you repeat the last process?
So once it is done, press Ctrl C to copy. The range should be selected. Press Ctrl C. You will get this dotted lines. Then press Ctrl Alt V. V for van. So Ctrl Alt V and then select values and click on OK. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So At the bottom you can see they have given one more set of thing I wanted you people to try. Here they are telling to enter the random number between 25 to 400. So here I tell that whatever number range you wanted to select, like 100 to 200 or 50 to 100, whatever the number range you wanted to fill, you fill and apply the same procedure here. Just now whatever we did, the same procedure, but number as per your wish. Try to do it on your own.
Done, ma'am.
Got it? You are able to execute the thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go to the next sheet, that is square root. So now I wanted to find the square root of 25. So equals SQRT square root. Just select the cell, that is E5, column E, fifth row. So whatever the value that is there, so automatically Excel will take 25 only for consideration. Close the bracket. So the square root of 25 is 5. I'll show you once again. Equals SQRT, open the bracket and select the cell. Close the bracket. The square root of 121 is 11. So try.
Ma'am, for each cell, should we do the same formula or can't we
No,
copy all
no,
of those?
no. You first cell you will apply the square root and you can do the fill handle. So for
Ah,
reference sake, I did it once again.
okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go to the next sheet, power. So if I wanted to find the power, I can use the function power also, or I can use the caret sign in order to do the powers. So here 9 to the power of 6. So I'll use a caret sign. So caret sign, you can see above your alphabetical pad, you have the numbers. In that for number 6, you have the caret sign. Above 6, you can see. So you have this dollar symbol, percentage and all. If you check in number 6, you have the caret sign. So I'll tell equals 9 to the caret sign. So I'm using power. to the power of 6. 9 to the power of 6. So I'll just come here and adjust the cell. So we'll just see 9 to the power of 6 means 9 will be multiplied 6 times. 9 into 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And if I am using the power function, equals power, open the bracket, what is the number? So I can select the cell also, or I can give the number directly also. So here I'm going to select the cell, comma, what is the number and what is the power. Enter. And if I'm taking the number directly, so I'll take power, open the bracket, 14, number is 14, comma, 14 to the power of 5. So I'll just show the formulas. You people can try. So either you can give the cell address or you can give the numbers directly. The caret symbol will be in the number 6. So above your alphabetical pad, you have this 1, 2, 3, 4 where you have the dollar symbol. So under the 6, so 6 digit, you have the caret symbol. In the number 6th key, you have the caret symbol.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. So we'll go to the next sheet, flash fill. So here I wanted to extract the information from the given range. For example, here they have given the product code. I have first 4 digit, then 3 digit, then 4 digit. I wanted first 4 digit. So here in the first cell, I'll just mention what is the number that is given. So what I wanted to extract, the first 4 digit. So the first 4 digit I'll enter there, press enter, go back using the up arrow and press Ctrl E. I will show you once again. Enter the number format what you wanted. Out of this 3 different codings, I wanted the first 4 digits. 1000. I will enter 1000. Press enter key. Again use up arrow to go back to the first cell. Press Ctrl E. The same way I wanted the last 3 digits in the second range. That is, after the alphabets, whatever the numbers is given, I wanted to extract that. I will enter the last 3 digits, press enter, use up arrow to go back to the first cell, press Ctrl E. Okay, we'll give the 4 digits. Let's see. B100, enter, go back, press Ctrl E. So give the 4 digits. I'll show you once again. Enter the last 4 digits from here. B100. Enter, go back, press Ctrl E. So the last 4 digit will be extracted. So the same way, middle 3 digits. So middle 3 digits is 165. Enter, go back and press Ctrl E. This is called as flash fill, means extracting the information from the given range. So the same way, here you people can try with the other three things. So
Ma'am,
in
can
this
you tell
one,
me? Like I'm not
sorry,
able to. I'm not able.
you are not able to do it.
Ah,
Which
yes, ma'am.
version of Excel you have, ma?
I'll check out,
Version?
ma'am.
Yeah, because this one under the data tab you have flash fill. If this tool is available means control E flash fill will work. If it is an older version, then flash fill was not there. Before 2015, flash fill was not there. In most of the older versions, flash fill will not be there. Just check under the data tab, under data tools, you have flash fill. If this tool is there, then control E will work. If not, control E flash fill will not work. Just check in your systems. If it is available, then you can try. Because this was introduced in the very late early versions only, not so very old versions we had this option.
Ma'am, for that last two alphabets one, it's not happening.
Last two alphabets. Which one? This
Yes.
one, huh? AY is not happening.
Yes.
Enter,
It's
go
coming
back,
other
press.
letters.
Oh, with the other alphabets. Maybe the setup issues might be there. So you can try with the first three characters. First three
It's wrong
characters.
for me also.
Okay, just try with the first three characters. Enter, go back and press Control E. See, first three characters it is working. So there might be some downloading setup issues also. Sometimes this flash fill will not work.
Yeah,
Try
ma'am.
it out.
I don't have flash fill.
You don't have that option itself
Ma'am.
in the
Yeah.
data tab.
Yeah.
Okay, then that is not available. So you can try it out in any other system. You can check this option and you can try. So just try with
Okay.
the first three characters, and in this product code series, just try with the same things like product code 112. Enter, go back, press Control E. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6, enter, go back and press Control E. That is the product serial number. Assembly code ASD. ASD. Enter, go back and press Control E.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's go to the next sheet, transpose. So transpose in the sense whatever the data that is given in the vertical format, I wanted it to be pasted on horizontal format. So for that, I will put my cursor somewhere on this vertical table, press Control A. Automatically the entire table will get selected. I'll press Control C. So you can see the dotted lines where you wanted to paste, put the cursor there, press Ctrl Alt V, paste special, click on transpose. So the vertical data will be pasted horizontally. Okay. So it will get pasted. Now you wanted to paste this horizontal data to vertical format. Again, put your cursor somewhere on the table, press Ctrl A, your entire table will get selected. Then press Ctrl C to select, sorry, to copy, then Ctrl Alt V. Control Alt V, select transpose. Sorry, you need to select the range where you wanted it to be pasted. So select the range, Control Alt V, select transpose, click on OK. So vertical format table can be pasted horizontally, and horizontally set up table can be pasted vertically. Got it? You want me to show it once again? So click somewhere on the table, press Ctrl A. Your entire table will get selected. Then press Ctrl C. So you can see the dotted lines. Now put the cursor where you wanted to paste the table. Then press Ctrl Alt V. Select transpose and click on OK. So the vertical format data will be pasted horizontally. Now I wanted to paste this horizontal data to vertical data. So I'll click somewhere on the table, press Ctrl A. Your entire table will get selected. Ctrl C. Where I wanted to paste, put the cursor there and Ctrl Alt V. Select transpose and click on OK. So the data will get pasted vertically. So vice versa. Vertical data can be transposed to horizontal data. Horizontal data can be transposed to vertical data.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So let's go to the next sheet, sum. So sum is nothing but to make the total. Okay. So what are the different ways how I can do the totaling? So using the comma, equals. So I will put sum. Sum is a function which is used to make the total. Open the bracket, select the cell one by one. So C3, that is 80, comma, maths 36, comma, Spanish. So using the comma, I am making the total. Close the bracket, enter. Now selecting the range, equals sum, open the bracket, click from the first marks. Without releasing the click, drag it to the all the three cells, that is from C4 to E4. Close the bracket, enter. I'll show you once again. Equals sum, open the bracket, click, without releasing the click, select all the three scores, close the bracket, enter. That is using the range. Another one is using the plus sign. So I will take the values using the plus. I'm not using the sum function. Second value and third value, enter. Using the plus sign also I can do the total. Then if I wanted to put the shortcut key, alt equals. So I will just remove this and select the range. Close the bracket, enter. So here like this we can do. So just try this out. I'll show you the formulas. So the last one I have used Alt equals and select the range.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so till today, whatever I have called, so is there any doubts? So we have covered with series, then we have done with square root, power, flash field, transpose, and sum. I wanted you people to practice those things. If you are having any doubts, please do tell. Tomorrow, first we'll clarify your doubts and then we'll continue with the other things.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, how to do the total, ma'am?
Alt equals. So see here. I just wanted to make the total from here. I'll just press Alt equals. Automatically, Excel is going to put the sum function by selecting the range. Enter, it will put the total. Once again, I'll just show you. So I'll put my cursor here, press Alt equals. So I need not have to type anything. Alt equals is a shortcut key to make the total.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, so the password for this file is MCC123. I wanted you people to practice this once again. If you are having any doubts, tomorrow you can clarify it. Okay, girls? Now, anybody is having any doubts or something? Shall we wind up the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, girls.
Thank